fire your engines enough so you don't fall back to Earth.
Right.
Okay. And you need enough energy to cross over to where your destination's gravity exceeds the gravity of Earth.
Right. So it's basically like that planet, when it gets to that, it lassos you and then starts pulling you towards the planet.
It's like climbing to the top of a hill and then you can just roll
And
down
then roll down the
side.
hill.
Okay.
Right.
So you're climbing out of the gravitational well of the Earth. And it's getting weaker and weaker and weaker. But as you're getting towards the other object, it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger.
Right.
There's a point where they balance. And if you cross over that point, you just fall towards your destination. Correct. Once you launched yourself with enough speed to get there, there's no engines firing.
Right.
And once you cross over, no engines firing, you just fall in.
Right.
You need your engines again to not crash. Okay.
Right.
Because you're accelerating all the way there by the action of the planet.
Right.
All right. To Mars, that's a minimum of 9 months. If instead you accelerated the whole time, then you still want to slow down. So you'll accelerate till you're like halfway there, then turn around and then decelerate the rest of the time.
Captain, we're approaching the planet. Fire the retro rockets. You got to fire the retro rockets.
Yes, except this would be a sustained thing. And that way you would maintain a certain artificial gravity, because an acceleration of a rocket is an exact mimic of being on a gravitational surface.
So the only sci-fi show I've ever seen that does, and I recognized it from you telling me exactly what you just said years ago, it's called The Expanse. And I had so much respect for them because they show a ship headed towards a planet, and the engines you see first firing as it's moving towards the planet. So it's like the entire time that they're showing you, like, oh, they're headed to whatever planet. And then they show you, and it looks like the ship is going in reverse.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, but exactly why you said, because they're firing the rockets to slow down. To approach the planet.
Correct.
So cool.
But there's another interesting fact here. While you are firing rockets, there is a force operating on you that you will not be able to distinguish from an ordinary gravitational force.